Here's our first conversion problem here on our review sheet. This is problem 10. We want to know how many hours are equivalent to 12,460 seconds. And so this is where we apply our concept of dimensional analysis. We want to analyze the dimensions, analyze the units, to be able to get from seconds to hours. And let's think about the equivalences that we know. Well, we know that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, and we know that 60 minutes are equal to 1 hour. So it's going to take me 2 conversion fractions to get from seconds to hours. The first conversion fraction will take me from seconds to minutes, and the second conversion fraction will take me from minutes to hours. So in that first conversion fraction, I want seconds to be eliminated, to be canceled. And so the seconds has to be put into the denominator. So it will cancel the seconds that are there. Remember, we always cancel from numerator to denominator. And the minute will go in the numerator. And then after putting in my dimensions, that helps me know where to put the numbers. In this relationship, 60 goes with seconds, and 1 goes with minutes. Now I'm going to be able to cancel the seconds, and I now have minutes. Now let's convert those minutes into hours. So I want the hours to remain and the minutes to cancel. So hours would have to be in the denominator in order to cancel the, minutes would have to be in the denominator in order to cancel the minutes here in the numerator. And hours would need to be in the numerator, so I end up with hours. So the minutes will cancel, and again, using this equivalence, I know where to put the numbers based upon where I've put the dimensions. 1 goes with hour, 60 goes with minutes. And so the arithmetic that I need to perform is 12,460 over 1 times 1 over 60 times 1 over 60. Let's see what we can do as far as reducing before we multiply what's left. 10 will go into 60 6 times. 10 will go into 12,460 1,246 times. Both of these numbers would be divisible by 2. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 would go into 1,246. Well, 2 goes into 12 6 times. 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So I have 623 over 180. And we were to round our answer to the nearest tenth. So I would do the long division of 180 divided into 623. I always change a fraction into a decimal by dividing the denominator into the numerator. So let's see how many times. Oh, let's see, maybe 3 times. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8 is 24, and carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 2, and 3 is 5. And if we want to round to the nearest tenth, we'll actually have to have a number here in the thousandths place. So 180 into 830. Let's see, that will make it 5 times. Maybe make 4 times. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 8 is 32. 2 and carry the 3. 4 and 3 is 7. And 180 into 1100. Let's see, will that make 6 times? I think it would make 6 times. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 8 is 48. Put on the 8, carry the 4. 6 and 4 is 10. So rounding this to the nearest tenth, that would be equal to then 3 5/10 hours. So 12,460 seconds is the same length of time as 3 5/10 hours.